Hey guys, we are making cowboy candy, and I've got about 2.5 pounds of jalapenos sliced, and I just saved one just to show you. All I did was slice it. Now you can cut it with a mandolin. I did not pull out a mandolin to cut them because I only had about 2.5 pounds. So, but we got that. We're just gonna cut them like this. And you can, I thought about trying them with some long pieces, but I said no, I'll just do them the round way like you always do them. Okay, there. Now, got that done. You move this to the side. Now, I'll be right back. Okay guys, now we're gonna make the syrup, so to speak. We're going to use 2 cups. This is 16 ounces, 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. Six cups of sugar. This is Cowboy Candy after all, keep in mind. Now I don't have any red pepper, cayenne pepper, so I'm going to use some red pepper. Whole teaspoon, so we'll use a little less than a teaspoon. If you're using cayenne pepper, use the whole teaspoon. I'm going to use just a little less. Okay, then we're going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, a 1/2 teaspoon of celery seed, and a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, now I'm going to put this on the stove, bring it to a boil, and then simmer it. I'll bring it to a boil. I'll turn it down to simmer for 4 minutes, okay? And then we'll be back. While those are coming to a boil, while that's coming to a boil, I did 4 jars, pint jars, and I hope that'll be enough. I've got some more if I have to take it out. But 4 pint jars, and I've already boiled them, so I can't touch around the top. And then you just set them to the side. I've already got my lids. My lids are in my hot water. I'll wait until I'm ready to seal them to bring them out. Okay, guys, we brought it to a boil and it simmered for 4 minutes. Now we're going to add our jalapenos to it. Don't want to touch that. Okay, now we're going to put it back on the stove, simmer it for 5 minutes. We're going to cook it on low, keep it stirred, make sure it doesn't stick, and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, now we've got our jalapenos. Now, I did turn my fire back up just a little bit because when I put those jalapenos in it, of course, it cooled it down. Now, you need a slotted spoon. Let the liquid drain off. We're going to put it in our jars. This top I got from Walmart. Funnel, a big jar funnel from Walmart. And of course I had to get my favorite color. I don't think we're going to wind up with maybe 2 jars. That's okay though. That's okay. Like that, okay? I didn't bring my heat up a lot. I just wanted my syrup to get hot again, you know, so that it don't really cook them. It just kind of, I don't know, softens them. Or I might can do them down enough to get it all in 2 of them. Because there's not much left in here. You usually have quite a bit more juice left, but you can save that, guys, if you want to marinate something in it. It would probably be really good if you'd like something a little spicy sweet. Oh, I was fixing to put it in there without putting my top. Uh-oh. So we're going to have 2 good jars of it. Now, when I get through emptying these out, I'm fixing to put it back on the stove, the syrup, back on the stove for 6 minutes. Now this time I won't turn my heat up. I'm going to just leave it like it is on simmer. And then we'll be back. Whew, it is hot. Okay, guys, we've got our syrup. It is simmered for 6 minutes. Now we're just going to take it and pour it over our peppers. Fill the jar up to about a 1/4 of an inch from the top, or you know, something like that. Now I'm going to do these like I do chow chow when I put them up, and I'm going to just turn them upside down 15 minutes for 15 minutes, and then turn them back right side up. You can water bath them, and if they don't seal, then I'll water bath them. But okay, put just a little bit more juice in this one since I had quite so much peppers. Okay. There. Okay, now I've got my tops here in the hot water. Put them on my jars. And then I'll put my lids on. A little hot. Ouch, a lot hot. Lot hot. Just hand tighten. And guys, I'm literally just going to turn them over on my towel. Ooh, with the bottom up. Okay, we'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, guys, I have turned them back up now, and we're just going to wait and see if they will seal on their own. You just you leave them upside down for 15 minutes and then turn them up. And then you just wait. They seal at different times, okay? So that's it. I'll get this shared. All right, love you guys.